In this video, I will show you how to compress your video files. Head over to your web browser and type in Handbrake. Click on Downloads. I'm going to download the 64-bit version. Save that on my desktop. I'm going to run this program. Click on Next. Next. Install. Finish. Now it's saying that you must install .NET Desktop Runtime to run this application. Click Yes. Click on Save. Click on Install. Close. So let's run the program again. So it's asking me for a file. So I'm going to use this video that I shoot from my phone. I'm going to drag and drop it here. Now this is what it looks like. That's the summary. That's the dimension. You can change the resolution. This is the orientation and cropping. You can flip horizontal. You can rotate. You can crop. To unlock this, you need to do a custom crop. This is the resolution and scaling. You can change your resolution from 1080p to lower or higher depending on your application. So this is the anamorphic setting. You can select custom to change the video pixel aspect or the scale size. You can do optimal size or allow upscaling or both. You can do borders around your video. You can select custom to adjust your borders. You can select your color. If it's either black, white, or custom, I'm going to set it at none. And for amorphic, I'm going to set this as none as well. I'm going to leave these as default. So that's the settings for dimensions. If we go over to filters, these are all the filters you can play around with. I'm going to leave the filters as default. Next, we're going to head over to video. This is the video encoder. Most social media accept H.264. H.265 will give you the most compression, but most social media may not accept the video format. You can adjust the frame rate. I'm going to leave it as the original frame rate. You can choose either peak frame rate or constant frame rate. You can adjust the quality of your video. You can select either average bitrate or constant quality. Under quality, you can adjust your encoder options. Encoder tune. Encoder profile. Encoder level. You can do a lot with the software. Next is the audio. You can change the codec. I'm going to leave it as default. You can change the bitrate. Mix down. Stereo. This just means two speaker. Like if you're using a headphone, both sides will play. Mono just means one side will play. You can select your sample rate. You can increase or decrease the volume of your audio. I'm going to leave that as 0. Then you can add subtitles and add chapters to your video. Now I'm going to leave the video settings as default and start encoding. Here you can see the progress of the encoding process. Just wait until that is completed. So the process is completed. So let me just check the video. This is the original video. Properties. This one is 40.6 megabyte in size. This one is the compression. I had to rename it because both of the files are the same name. Let's see the compression rate on this one. This one is 38 megabytes. And the original is 40.6 megabytes. So 2.6 megabytes. Let's check the video quality. I'm going to turn off the volume. The volume is already off. So with your computer off, I'm going to mute this one as well. So that's the original and this is the compressed one. I can't tell much of a difference. Now let's adjust the quality of this video. So I set it to 33 instead of 22. And here you can see it says lower quality. So let's try that. So the process is completed. I'm going to rename the file. I'm going to compare it with the original. Play. This is the compressed one. And this is the original. I don't see much difference. Now let's check the video size. Wow. This one is 7.7 megabytes. This is 40. Let's do a full screen on this one. It's a little bit blurry. Let's do full screen on this one. Not too much of a difference. Now the difference between this video and this video is that the compressed one you can send it in an email, and this one, the one with the 40.6 megabyte, would not fit in an email. And the video quality is not that bad. That's just the camera going out of focus. But right here you can see the picture is perfect. The lower quality will result in a smaller size video. You can also preview the video results. Click on live preview. This is only for 30 seconds though. So you can adjust the video quality and do a preview to see what's the minimum quality that you would accept in your video. You can check the activity log. Preset. This is the default. I'm now going to change it. File menu. Tools. Presets. Queue. And this is the help. Click on open source. This will allow you to open a video source. Now going back to summary, you can change your video format. Right now it's set to MP4. You can set it to KVM or WebM. You can set it for web optimization. And these are the preview screen. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye for now.